Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. Your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Minoh Spa Garden. When you visit Osaka, you may want to see a famous place like Dotonbori or Osaka Castle. But if you want to relax in nature, there is a nice place called Minoh Spa Garden. It is in Minoh City near Osaka. You can get there by train in about 30 or 40 minutes from the city center. Minoh is famous for its autumn leaves. In fall, the trees turn red and yellow. From the outdoor bus at Minoh Spa Garden, you can enjoy this beautiful view. You can also see cherry blossoms in spring, green trees in summer, and white snow in winter. The spa has many buses, including big indoor bus and outdoor buses. There is also a sauna and a cold water bus. Many people come to try the sauna and feel refreshed. It is called the Totonou experience in Japan. It is now popular among young people and foreign tourists. You do not need to stay overnight. There are plans for day trips too. You can enjoy bullet with Osaka food or walk around old-style game centers that look like Japan in the past. In 2023, local events were held at night. For example, there was a maple light-up to enjoy the red leaves with lights. Many visitors come to join the fun. There is a covered escalator called Minoh Skywalk from the station to the spa. Even on rainy days, it's easy to walk there. The signs are in English and other languages, so it's friendly for tourists. Minoh Spa Garden is a good place to relax. Minoh Spa Garden is a good place to rest your body and mind. It's a great way to enjoy Japanese onsen culture near Osaka. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.